Hello everyone. In this video, we will study again Python lists. Okay. So my list apple, banana, cherry, and we have to understand that in list we use third brackets. Okay. Apple, banana, cherry lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of the 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other 3 are tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, all with different qualities and usage. Okay. So tuple, set, dictionary, store collection data. Okay, lists are created using square brackets. This one. Okay. So apple, banana, cherry, and list items. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. Okay. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, etc. Okay. Ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. So it's a little bit harder to remember which one is ordered, changeable. So we will try to uh, manage techniques to remember them anyway. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, etc. Ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. Okay. So if you add new items to a list, the new item will be placed at the end of the list, right? So there are some list methods that will change the order, but in general the order of the items will not change. Okay. Changeable. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Allow duplicates. Since lists are indexed, list can have items with the same value. So list allow duplicate values. Let's see. This list apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry, right? So we see that we have duplicates, apple, banana, cherry. Okay. So that means we can have duplicates here. List length. To determine how many items a list has, use len function. Print the number of items in the list. This list apple, banana, cherry, print len this list. So this will be 3, right? List items, data types. List items can be of any data types: a string, integer, and boolean data types. List 1 apple, banana, cherry. List 2 1 5 7 9 3. List 3 true, false, false, right? So apple, banana, cherry. Okay. So these are list and can be one of the data types. Okay, items can be any data type, right? Okay. A list can contain different data types. A list with string, integers, and boolean values, ABC, 34. So you see here different types of data are here, right? Okay. From Python's perspective, lists are defined as objects with the data type list. Okay. So what's the data type of a list? So we will get list type, right? The list constructor. It is also possible to use list constructor when creating a new list. Okay. It is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. Example, using the list constructor to make a list. This list apple, banana, cherry. Note the double round brackets. Okay. So okay, list apple, banana, cherry. This list. Okay, so we are making a list constructor. Python collections arrays. There are 4 collection data types in Python programming language. List. A list is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allow duplicate numbers. Tuple is collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate numbers. So unchangeable, allow duplicate, less at. Unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. Okay, no duplicate numbers. Dictionary collection ordered, changeable, and no duplicates. Okay, so set in dictionary has no duplicates. Set is unordered, unchangeable. Dictionary ordered, changeable. Tuple is ordered, unchangeable. So these are the things we have to practice again and again. Otherwise, we will forget, guys. Okay, these 4 has different types of characteristics, right? Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove add or error. Okay, as a Python anyway. So what will be the result of the following syntax? My list apple, banana, cherry. Print my list 1. Okay, so banana would be the output here. What will be the result of the following syntax? My cherry, my list 2. True or false? List items cannot be removed after the list has been created. List items cannot be removed after the list has been created. True or false? I forgot, guys. Let's see. Anyway, um, select the correct function for returning the number of items in a list. Select the correct function for returning the number of items in a list. So this list, apple, banana, cherry, print this list, right? So number of items in it. So len would be here. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list, apple, banana, cherry, print my list -1, right? So result of the following syntax: apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. Let's see, -1. So let's see, banana, cherry. Yes, from the right it's -1. Print the second item in the fruits list. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Print. Okay. Print the second item in the fruit list. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Print. Second item, right? So fruits, second item, 1. What will be the result of the following syntax? Banana, cherry, orange, kiwi. Banana, cherry, orange, kiwi. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So banana, cherry, orange. Use a range of indexes to print the third, fourth, and fifth item in the list. Use a range of indexes to print the third, fourth, and fifth fruits. 0, 1, 2, 3. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 maybe. 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the exercise we need to do always, guys. Okay. Access list items. Python access list items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. Okay, so print the second item of the list. This list, apple, banana, cherry. Print this list 1. Okay, so we will get banana here. Note the first item has index 0. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end, right? So -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second item, etc. Okay. Negative indexing. So let's see. This is -1. This is -2. This is how it works. Okay. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range, right? When specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Okay, return the third, fourth, and fifth item. Okay. Remember that the first item has index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. This example returns the items from the beginning to but not including kiwi. So this list apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So till orange, right? Before kiwi. By leaving out the end value, the range will go. Okay, the example returns the items from cherry to the end. So 0, 1, 2, cherry to the end, right? So 2 after this and I hope you understand, right? Change list item, Python change list items. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. Change the second item. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list one black currant, right? So print this list. So apple would be changed, right? Sorry, banana would be changed because it's one. Change range of item values. To change the value of items within a specific range, define a list with the new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new values. Okay, so change the value of banana and cherry with the values black currant and watermelon. This list apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, mango. This list 1 is to 3 black currant, watermelon, right? So 0 1, so banana, 2 0 1 2 3, right? So banana and cherry would be replaced, and black currant and watermelon would be placed here, right? So banana and watermelon, you see. If you insert more items than you replace, the new items will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will move accordingly. Okay, so change the second value by replacing it with two new values, apple, banana, cherry. So these are the three items, and from 1, so 0 1, so from here it will start. So banana will be replaced, cherry will be replaced, right? So okay, so you see, banana is replaced, cherry is replaced, and sorry, so here we did 1 2, right? So 0 1 and then 2. So if you do 1 and 2, so 0 1 2, so only banana will be replaced, cherry will not replace. So we are providing here 2. So in the place of banana, black currant and watermelon comes first, and then cherry is added later, right? You see this one. The length of the list will change whether the number of items inserted does not match the number of items replaced. The length of the list will change when the number of items inserted does not match the number of list items replaced. If you insert less items, then you replace. If you insert less items, then you replace. The new items will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will be moved accordingly. Change the second and third value by replacing it with one value. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list 1 okay, 1 is to 3 watermelon. So 0 1 watermelon, 2 3. Okay, so second and third value is being replaced by only one value, right? Watermelon. Insert items. To insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Insert watermelon as the third item. Okay, this list apple, banana, cherry. This list just insert 2 watermelon. Okay, so 0 1 2 watermelon. This in the place of 2, watermelon is being placed, and then cherry. As a result of the example, okay, what will be the result of the following syntax? Apple, banana, cherry. My list 0, kiwi. So my list 1. Okay, so let's see, it should be banana, guys. Maybe apple would be replaced, right? uh, let's see, correct answer. Change the value from apple to kiwi in the fruit list. Okay, so fruits apple, banana, cherry. um, okay, so fruits, 0 equals kiwi. My list apple, banana, cherry. What will be the result of the following syntax? Apple, banana, cherry. 1 2, kiwi, mango. So 0 1, and then 2. So kiwi and mango will be replaced in banana, and then cherry will come, right? So my list 2 0 1 2. So mango should be here, right? Okay, add list items, Python add list items, append items. To add an item to the end of the list, use append method, right? Example, using the append method to append an item. This list equals apple, banana, cherry. This list dot append orange, right? So this list equal apple, banana, cherry. This list dot append orange. Print this list. Append. So orange will be, after the cherry, right? Insert item. To insert an item at a specific index, use the insert method. To insert method, okay. This list apple, banana, cherry. Insert one orange. So in the one, before banana, orange will become here. Extend list. To append items elements from another list to the current list, use extend method. Add the elements of tropical to this list. This list is apple, banana, cherry, tropical, mango, pineapple, papaya. This list dot extend tropical, right? So this list is being extend tropical. So extend apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapple, papaya. All the things will be extended. Okay, the elements will be added to the end of the list. Add any iterable. Okay, the extend method does not have to append list. You can add any iterable objects, tuples, sets, dictionaries, etc. Add elements of a tuple to a list. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. This tuple kiwi, orange. This list just extend this tuple. Print this list. Okay. So apple, this tuple, kiwi, orange. This list you extend this tuple. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list apple, banana, cherry. My list to insert 0. So orange will be inserted in the 0th position. My list 1. So apple would be the output. Use the append method to add orange to the fruits list. Okay. So fruits apple, banana, cherry. Append method to add orange to the fruits list. Okay. So fruits dot append uh, fruits append orange. Okay. So orange. Let's see. Okay. Use the insert method to add lemon as the second item of the fruits list. Okay. So mhm, second item, right? So 0 1 and lemon. Select the missing parts to add the elements of tropical to fruits. Tropical missing parts to add the elements of tropical to fruits. Fruits dot extend tropical. Remove list items. Python remove list items. Remove a specified item. The remove method removes the specified item. Remove banana. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list remove banana. Print this list. If you see here, apple, cherry, right? Okay. If there are more than one item with a specified value, the remove method removes the first occurrence. If there are more than one item with a specified value, the remove method removes the first occurrence. Example, remove the first occurrence of banana. This list apple, banana, cherry, banana, kiwi, right? So this list does remove banana. Print this list. We will remove. Okay. Remove specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. Remove the second item. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. This list dot pop one, print this list pop one. So pop apple, cherry, right? So this banana is being popped, right? If you do not specify the index, pop method removes the last item. If you do not specify index, then pop method removes the last item. Example, remove the last item. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. This list dot pop. So you come here, right? The del keyword also removes the specified index. Removes the first item. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. Del this list 0. Print this list. This list 0. Print this list. Banana, cherry. Apple, banana, cherry. Del this list 0. So we're deleting this, right? So let's see. The del keyword can also delete this list completely. Delete the entire list. This list apple, banana, cherry. Del this list. Uh, Tell this list, print this list. This will cause an error because you have successfully deleted this list. Clear the list. The clear method empires empties the this will list. This list still remains, but it has no content. Clear the list content. Clear. I hope you got this, guys. Okay. Exercise this. What is the list method for removing list item? Okay. Oh, right. Use the remove method to remove banana from the fruits list. Fruits apple, banana, cherry. Fruits dot remove. Okay. Pop one, right? Banana. Wrong. Let's say remove pop and remove banana. Okay, what will be the result of the following syntax? Apple, banana, cherry. My list pop one. So banana will be apple, cherry. Select the correct function to remove all items from a list. Fruits apple, banana, cherry. Fruits dot. Okay, loop list Python loop list loop through a list. Okay, you can loop through the list items by using a for loop. Print all items in the list one by one. This list apple, banana, cherry. For x in this list, print x. So you see apple, banana, cherry. For x in this list, print x. Apple, banana, cherry. Learn more about for loops in your Python for loops chapter. Loop through the index numbers. You can also loop through the list items by referring to the index number. Use the range and len function to get. Okay, guys, we need to we have to finish Python these basic lessons and then classes, file handling, numpy pandas, Django. Django we have to do it. Okay. Loop lists. Print all items in the list one by one. This list apple, banana, cherry. For x in this list, print x. For more about for loops in Python for loops chapter, loop through the index numbers. You can also loop through the list items by referring to the index number. Range and len function to create suitable iterable. print all items by referring to the index number. This list this for I in range len this list range len this list. So whatever the length is 3. So in range 3, this list I. So in the first iteration apple would be printed, second iteration this is how it works. Okay, the iterable created in the example of 1 2 0 1 2. Using a while loop, you can loop through the list item by using a while loop. Use the len function to determine the length of the list, then start at 0 and loop your way through the list item by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. Print all items using a while loop to go through all the index numbers. This list equal apple, banana, cherry, I equals 0. So while I is less than len this list, that means 3. So 0 1 2 would be, while I is less than 3, print this list I equal to I plus 1. So I'll increase every time. I hope you understand. Okay, we just need to have a look, guys, in these lessons. We don't need to master them. Okay, when we do project, these things will be clear to us. List comprehension offers the shortest syntax for looping through this list. A shortened for loop that will print all items in a list. This list apple, banana, cherry, print x for x in this list. So this is shortened. All items this is apple, banana, cherry, print x for x in this list. Okay, learn more about list comprehension in the next chapter. List comprehension. Okay, what is the correct syntax for looping through the items of a list? X for x in print x for x in apple, banana, cherry, for x in. Insert the missing part of the while loop below to loop through the items of a list. Okay, my list apple, banana, cherry, I equals 0 for uh, okay, oh sorry, while. Anyway, guys, what is the correct syntax for looping through the items of a list? Print x for x in apple, banana, cherry. Correct syntax for looping through the item of a list. Print x for x in apple, banana, cherry. Print x for x in apple, banana, cherry. Okay, guys. So in the next video, we will learn the rest.